Hi everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I am back with a Destash. So I've got some leftover stuff, I've included some stuff, I've consolidated stuff. So I have 3 boxes, each box is $60, shipped, PayPal US only, please pay right away. They ship in a medium flat rate priority box, which costs like $17. So you're getting a pretty good deal. So let's go into box number 1. So number 1 is going to include this Jen Long Thinlits Fold Along. I've never used it. I don't believe. I think I rebought this. It might be a second go around. Also this Biggs die. I don't think I used it at all. It makes these 3 cute little critters. I have Tim Holtz. Never used either one of these. I bought a whole bunch of them from Tuesday morning, and I slowly whittle it down to ones I think I'm actually going to probably use. These ones have never been used. I've got this Ultra New Oriental Puppy. I did use this for a class. So I have the stamp set, I have the dies, and I have the stencil. So I have the whole complete shebang. I have this Sizzix die. It also includes a, we call this an embossing folder, which gives it all that texture, and they're really cool. I love them. I just have used it and I'm kind of done with it. I have some Not Too Shabby that I'm destashing because I have a ton of it. This one's called Bloom with Grace. This one is called Turkey Day, and this one includes the dies. We have this Mama Elephant Zodiac Mouse and the dies. And we have this brand new one that I've not used. It's called An Elegant Christmas and the dies. And I have this one, which is called Full of Thanks. And I've got this one, which is called Java Nice Day and Rise and Shine. I have this Give Thanks paper pad, has a ton of paper still in it. I've got the matching ephemera as well as the ephemera from another collection. I have this brand new Tailored Expressions stencil and clear combo. It was a purchase with $100. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set this one aside so I don't mess this up, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my 2 boxes. Okay. All right, box number 2. Oh my God, it's so heavy. I hope I can put everything back in it. You know, that's like the hardest part. So this is box number 2. It's almost all American Crafts and Maggie Holmes. All right, so you guys can get a glimpse of it as I take things out, and then I'm going to be putting it all back in. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. So this is $60, and it's, you know, kind of cleaning out a lot of my stuff. Okay. Okay, so this is $60 shipped. All right. Phew. Got tired just doing that. Okay, first off, this is a whole giant bag of 12 by 12 Simple Stories paper. It has like all kinds of collections. It's amazing. I just have too much stuff. So there's that. Then I have this carousel 12 by 12 paper. I have used some of it, but there is a ton of it left. Like most of it left. Okay, and then I have some 12 by 12. I believe this is all Flourish, and it's double-sided. So 12 by 12, double-sided. Maggie Holmes. And then I have the rest of this carousel chipboard. I have this Maggie Holmes gift wrap book. I used hardly any of it. It's Willow Lane. And then let's see what we should do. And then I've got I got this 6x6 Chasing Dreams paper pad. I'm pretty sure I haven't used it. Then I have this 6x8. I'm pretty sure I haven't used that, of the carousel. And then let's see what we've got here. So we've got these stickers, let's see, Maggie Holmes stickers. Got this one, and then this one, which has been kind of used and just stuck on everything, but the other one is completely never, used a little bit here and there. I'm going to stick this in here because it's just like a mess. Okay, and then what else do I have here? I've got these Project Life cards and these Project Life cards. These are Maggie Holmes open book. Okay, and then I've got these stickers, these Bloom stickers, these Chanel Glitter Girl stickers. And I have these, I believe this is open book, and then these ones, which are these birthday ones. And then let's see, we've got these Jen Hatfield, we have these stickers, we have these Maggie Holmes, these ephemera pieces. This one's never been used. This is Flourish. These buttons. I've got these stickers and then these stickers. Got these homemade embellishments. And then I've got what's left of this Maggie Holmes paper, which is Willow Lane. I've got this carousel embellishment, these cute girl cork. I've got these, I think these are open book frames. I have these, and then I have these embellishments, which are, I forget what Maggie Holmes collection it is, but I have those, as well as more of the open book cards. And then this one is, let me try to fit everything back in here. This one is $60, and it's number 2. Okay, so that one's number 2. Okay, and the last one is number 3. Oh my God, it's so heavy. This is number 3. Okay, so let me try to get everything out here. Okay. All right, number 3. Ooh, I'm sweaty now. Is this Heritage. I have used it. Okay, Okay, so it's Heritage 12 by 12. There's this poolside chipboard. I never use any of that. Sunny Days. I really don't think I use any of this Sunny Days. If I did, it was like one sheet or something because it looks pretty brand new. And then I have Gather. Same thing with Gather. Like, I don't recall like using any of this Gather, but maybe I used a sheet or two of it. It's Maggie Holmes. Then we have this Willow Lane. I used a few pieces of that chipboard. Then I have this brand new chipboard, and this one is, I think it's Flourish. It looks like Flourish to me. Doesn't say, but I think it's Flourish. Never used. This chipboard is spanking new. All right, then I've got these stickers and these stickers. And then I've got this Oh Darling, brand new, journaling cards, never used. And then I have all of these cards and envelopes that are all Maggie Holmes. Okay, and then I have this ephemera, this sticker sheet, this Hooray, which has never been used. I have this All Heart 6x8 paper pad, never used. I've got this. I've got these. Open Book, Bloom. I have these Maggie Holmes, and I have these. And I have this. These are the Open Book 3x4 Project Life cards. And those have never been used. And that's it. So if you want them, email me, scoop71@yahoo.com. This will be the last Destash that I do for a little while. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy the Crane with a Heart.